സ്വാമിയേ 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 സ്വാമിയേ
सभी लोग अपना स्टैंड ग्रहण कीजिए।
स्वामिये
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 स्वामिये स्वामिये स्वामिये स्वामिये
ओम स्वामिये 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 ओ देवमे स्वामिये
स्वामी शरणम। श्री मुत्तकृष्णन जी अपना नेशनल सेक्रेटरी है, उनको स्टेज पे आने के लिए आमंत्रित करती हूँ। श्री सरस्वती स्वामी जी को स्वागत कर
आप बोलेंगे
अभी प्रार्थना के लिए अभी अटेंशन दीजिए।
श्री धर्मशास्त्र नमस्करोम्यद्यते पादारविन्दं शरणं हि मादृशाम् उच्छृङ्खलं मम पञ्चेन्द्रियं भवान् पावनमार्गेण चालये सर्वदा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा अय्यप्प सेवा समाजस्य स्यामहम् नम्र सदस्यश्चरन् धर्ममेव हि भूमौ तु क्लेशेन जीवतां प्राणिनां सेवने देहि मे शक्तिं दयानिधे स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा मारुतेर्मानसे भक्तिर् यथा तथा भूयादचञ्चल भक्तिश्च मे हृदि कर्मनिष्ठा वयं भूयास्म सेवका हृत्तडेदं भाविहीन भवेम च स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा भद्राणि द्रष्टुं सुदृष्टिं च देहिना दोषापहाराय शक्तिं च देहिना अय्यप्प तत्त्वस्य ज्ञानं हि देहिना प्राप्नुयामो वयं शीघ्रं हि त्वत्पदम् स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा जन्म प्राप्ता जन तामसभावं परित्यज्य सद्गतिं साधयेदुस्तत्र भूयास्म साधनम् स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा तत्त्वमसीति यज्ञानं प्रकाशितम् तन्मे हृदन्ते प्रकाशतां सर्वदा स्वार्थलोभादिभिर्बद्धं तु जन्म मे व्यर्थं न भूयादि तेह मे प्रार्थना
स्वामी शरणम। सभी लोग अपना अपना स्थान ग्रहण कीजिए। श्री ब्रह्मानंद सरस्वती स्वामी जी का मुख्य बच्चा देकर स्वागत करने के लिए प्रकाश पाइक सर को आमंत्रित करते हैं। स्वामी जी
स्वामी
श्री शेट्टी स्वामी जी का स्वागत करने के लिए मुक्ति कृष्णन सर को आमंत्रित करते हैं। श्री उन्नी पात्रे जी को स्वागत करने के लिए रामचंद्रन सर को स्वागत करती हूँ। फूल पकड़ो। श्री मुत्तुकृष्णन सर को स्वागत करने के लिए एडवोकेट कुमार वैद्यनाथन सर को स्वागत करती हूँ। श्री प्रकाश पाई जी को स्वागत करने के लिए इंशा मैडम को स्वागत करती हूँ। एडवोकेट इंशा मैडम, सॉरी। श्री रामचंद्रन सर को स्वागत करने के लिए मिस्टर राजेश नारायण जी को स्वागत करते हैं। स्वामी शरणम। अभी हमारा कार्यक्रम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि स्वामी जी को थोड़ा जल्दी जाना है, इसके लिए स्वामी जी का भाषण पहले होएगा कि सभी लोग श्रद्धा से उनका ये करने का। स्वामी जी का स्वागत करने के लिए मैं मुत्तुकृष्णन सर को स्वागत करती हूँ और उनका इंट्रोडक्शन देगा। स्वामी शरणम।
रामचंद्रन
सॉरी, रामचंद्रन सर इंट्रोडक्शन देगा स्वामी जी का।
नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग, सबको स्वागत है। आज ये मंच में रह के मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है, बेहद खुशी हो रही है, क्योंकि सास का कमेटी ने मुझे एक भारी जिम्मेदारी दिए हैं। स्वामी जी को हम स्वागत करें, उनको आपका सामने इंट्रोड्यूस करें। स्वामी जी ऐसा हस्ती है, कोई इंट्रोडक्शन का ज़रूरत नहीं है, फिर भी आपका इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए मैंने कुछ दो बातें कह देता हूँ। स्वामी ब्रह्मा विद्यानंद स्वामी जी, सरस्वती स्वामी जी एक वेदांता एक्सपोनेंट है। दुनिया भर में हजारों लाखों लोगों का दिल से अंधेरा निकाल के उजाला किया हुआ है वेदांता के जरिए। उनको स्पेशल इंट्रोडक्शन का ज़रूरत नहीं है, फिर भी हम सबका ओर से, पूरा हिंदू कम्युनिटी का ओर से मैं उनको स्वागत करता हूँ। और हमारे साथ आए, कम से कम टाइम सही हमारे साथ बिताए, दो शब्द बोले, ये हमारे लिए कोई बड़ी बात है और मैं आभारी हूँ इसके लिए। और सास कमेटी को मैं नमन करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि ये जो भारी जिम्मेदारी मुझ पर सौंपे हैं, मुझे काबिल समझे। सो आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड प्राउड टू इंट्रोड्यूस स्वामी जी to the audience, all of you. Swamiji doesn't need any introduction as it is. A teacher of Vedanta who transformed many students' life by Vedanta Jyoti. Basically, is a marine engineer who attracted to Vedanta and trained under none other than Swami Dayananda Saraswati. We know Dayananda Saraswati is a pillar of Hindutva, and his achievements I don't have to explain to you. Anyway, Swamiji since 1985 is based in Mumbai and doing Vedanta program to corporates and Fortune 500 companies, and reformed thousands of people अपना देश में या विदेश में, या अमेरिका हो या यूके हो। उन्होंने हिंदुत्व का जो प्रकाश, जो लाइट है, दुनिया भर में फैलने के लिए अपना लाइफ रखे हैं। उस ओर से उनका काम चल रहा है। फिर अपने लिए he is not a stranger. He is always with us as a mentor, guide and motivator. His presence itself is a reason to celebrate and a boost to our organization and today's program. Swamiji will speak in detail about today's theme of Bhavanam Sannidhanam. That is our program today. And देश में अंदाजा कुछ 18 जगह पे ये आयोजन हो रहे हैं। इसका हर जगह पे इसका सक्सेस होगा, क्योंकि इसका गाइडेंस जो है स्वामी अय्यप्पा का गाइडेंस है, तो कभी फेल होने का कोई बात ही नहीं है। So let our collective voices reach the government corridors and open all the doors in our favor. I hope Subramala Ayyappa will remove all the obstacles and ultimate victory is ours. Ayyappa Bhakt and Hindu community as well. I thank and welcome everybody, and special thanks to committee for this मौका, मुझे ये जो अवसर दिया है। I am so grateful. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Swami Sharanam to all the committee members and all. I think this is the first program where the chief guest is on time and the program starts late. Normally the chief guest holds up all the program and delays everything. As he said, I would have spoken more elaborately, but I have a previous commitment. Okay. In fact, I was supposed to leave here at 10:30 and I'm starting at 10:30. Yes, it is true. There is a problem with the Kerala government. It is also true that there is a COVID pandemic going on. So we can't fully blame the government for not allowing too many people today at this time. We have to be fair both sides. Yeah. Problem with the government is very evident, everyone knows it. At the same time, there's a pandemic, what do you do? Kerala with a small population is leading the cases now. We can't ignore harsh realities. We have to take it as Ayyappa's will. We have to accept it. It is not our will that works. It is Ishvara's will that works. We can plan, we can do. But it's always Ishvara's will that will work out, not yours or mine. The more you align yourself with Ishvara's will, the happier your life is. So now what? If you look at the program, the whole mandala that goes on of Ayyappa Seva that happens, the actual yatra is the culmination. 1 week. What happens before is more important. That one mandala of the life the Swamis lead. And in Kerala, even more important. Why? Because the Swamis are supposed to live a very clean life. Once you wear the mala, no alcohol, no non-vegetarian, nothing. And we know our Mallus are very happy with us. Very small. That one small becomes too much in Kerala. So it is good that at least for one mandala is off. Again, I am a person who sees it, who tells it as I see it. So this is a fact. That's why when they come back, the moment you cross Pampa, what are the shops you see around? Those who have been there regularly. We all know. We all know. But at least one mandala is taken very seriously. The whole sadhana happens. That is the important part. If you look at the whole thing, the important part is that. So even if we cannot, all of us cannot go to Sabrimala this time, we can experience what the ladies experience. That you can't go, but you are doing all the sadhana at home. Therefore, let every house become a Sannidhan. Let your puja room or your puja corner in Bombay become the Sannidhan and have your worship of Ayyappa there. Because the worship of Ayyappa is not, you don't go to Ayyappa to pray for my child should get married, I should get a job. That's not what you pray for Ayyappa. Swami Ayyappan is presented as Mahavakya Upadesha Karta. Mahavakya Upadesha is Moksha Upadesha, Jnana Upadesha. Atma Jnana Upadesha is Mahavakya Upadesha. The whole essence of Vedanta is in the Mahavakya. Statements like Aham Brahmasmi, Tattvamasi, etc. So it's not a small thing. For that, the mind has to be ready. Everyone cannot understand that. So that mandala sadhana is to get the mind ready. And when you go there also, what is it that's being offered? A coconut representing your Sharira, and the ghee inside the Atma, yourself. And that is offered to the Murti there, Ayyappa's Murti there. It has become one with the Murti. And the same is given back to you. Why? Because now the Ahankara, which has become one with Ishvara, is now available back for my functioning in the world. Because without Ahankara, how do I function? Ahankara meaning simple Ahankara, an enlightened Ahankara, you function in the world. So this is the main thing. And if that is the main thing, Ishvara is everywhere. Where is? Tell me a place where Ayyappa is not there. It's all pervading. Limitlessness. Satyam Jnanam Anantam. Therefore, let every house this time be a Sannidhana. Let your puja corner, puja room, whatever. Bombay, you can't have a separate puja room, very difficult. Let your puja corner itself become the Sannidhana. That is the main meaning behind this. And I have to tell the organizers one thing as well. Because only 1,000 people are allowed, right? More than 1,000 people are allowed. Naturally, those who have been going regularly, the office bearers, the VIPs, will want to be there. Natural. Because they will be going for years and years. But if you want Ayyappa to maintain his brahmacharya, you better make sure that some Kanni Swamis are also there. First timers. Otherwise, Devi's